Hi, this is a quick video tutorial on how to replace a laptop screen in a 15-inch HP laptop. The model is 15-AY075NR, and I believe our screen was sat on or dropped or something, but it had broken, so I ordered a new one from www.laptopscreen.com for $41.99. They had it here in 2 days. So the first step was to remove the battery, just to make sure that we don't get shocked. Then taking a small flat screwdriver or blade of some sort, prying between the top part of the cover and the plastic protector around the bezel. Just a little bit of light pressure, I was able to pop the retainers off there. Once you get a few of those done, you should be able to stop using the screwdriver if you break a few of them free, and then use your fingers to get the rest of those out of there. After I removed the plastic screen, you just lift up and it comes off of the cuffs where the laptop screen opens and closes. There are 4 little retaining screws that are holding the brackets in place on the old screen. So using a small, I recommend magnetic screwdriver, remove those screws. Not much pressure, they're not very tight. Again, I would recommend using a magnetic screwdriver because I dropped the screws several times. You'll see me struggling with those. After you've removed all 4 screws, flip over the laptop, the screen, and you'll see a small black connector with some tape. Just peel the tape back and remove the connector. You can reuse that tape to hold the connector in place on your new screen. There is my new laptopscreen.com monitor. Flip it over, and I attached the new power cord and then held it in place with the tape that was on previous. Once you get it back in place, you can lift the new screen up into place and the bracket should line up. My bracket was just a little bit bent there. I'm not sure if I did that after I had the laptop removed or if it did that. It was like that when it came in, but this is where the magnetic screwdriver would be really helpful. Make sure that you have the 4 small screws that you have retained from the old screen and mounting bracket, and you'll screw those back into place. Again, I struggled with the bottom too. I dropped them several times. It would have been a lot easier had I used a magnetic screwdriver. After you finally get all 4 of those screws installed onto the mounting brackets for the new monitor, there is a protective film that you'll want to peel back and remove before you reinstall the plastic cover. It just snaps right back onto place. I started at the bottom, snapping the 2 collar covers in place first, and then working my way around the outside of the monitor. Once you get that done, you'll want to close it and put your hands behind the back side of it and click those the back side of the monitor and the plastic border in together. Once you reinstall the battery, you should be able to flip your computer over, open the screen, and it should power right back on as mine did, and the monitor worked just great. Thank you. It was quite an easy repair.